Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well, with good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video so beautiful and latest ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women, for mature women, much more stylish ideas of low maintenance hairstyle with beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and much more stylish ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women, for mature women you see in this video. I hope you like it. Different ideas of hairstyling in low maintenance. Mostly ideas in low maintenance hairstyle, spiky hairstyle and messy hairstyle, but today is in my collection different ideas of too short wave and curls on hair, curly hairstyle and fine hairstyle. It's so beautiful collection of haircut in low maintenance: pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and so beautiful collection of hair dye, eye-catching ideas of hair dye: blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas funky colors, and so beautiful ideas of highlights. Very beautiful ideas of highlights with different ideas of base color. So beautiful overall collection, overall ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls, for women, for mature women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look very attractive, very pretty. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you, please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll be right back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.